In this lesson, we will learn about app code folder. App code folder is a special type of folder in ASP.NET. App code folder is used to store your classes and web services description language files, that is .wsdl files, and typed datasets. Any of these items stored in this folder are then automatically made available to all the pages in your solution. The nice thing about app code folder is that when you place something in this folder, Visual Studio automatically detects this and compiles it if it is a class, whether it's .vb or .cs. Automatically creates XML web service proxy class if it is a .wsdl file, or automatically creates type dataset if it is a .xsd files. After the files are automatically compiled, these items are then automatically made available to any of your ASP.NET pages that are in the same solution. Everything placed in app code folder is compiled into a single class. The class files placed in app code folder are not required to use a specific language. This means that even if all the pages of the solution are written in Visual Basic, the classes in app code folder of this solution can be built in C#. Because all the classes contained in this folder are built into a single assembly, you cannot have classes of different languages sitting in the root app code folder. That is, we cannot have two different languages files inside app code folder. Having two classes made up of different languages in app code folder causes an error to be thrown. It is impossible for the assigned compiler to work with two different languages. Therefore, in order to be able to work with multiple languages in your app code folder, you must make some changes to the folder structure and to the web.config file. The first step is to add two new subfolders to app code folder. Here we are using VB language and C# language. So for VB I am creating a VB folder. For C# I am creating a CS folder. This gives the following structure to the app code folder. So under app code folder we have a VB folder and C# folder. Under VB we will have a VB file. Under C# we will have C# file. The name of the files may be different, but we will have two different files with two different extensions in two different folders. This still won't correctly compile these class files into a separate assembly. At least not until you make some additions to the web.config file. In the web.config file, we have to add these tags so that ASP.NET recognizes the folders and compiles them differently.